In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine splash shield on your Nissan Altima, located under the car. Remove your engine splash shield. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Remove the 11 clips around the engine splash shield. And remove the splash shield. Install the engine splash shield. There are 6 clips for the engine splash shield. And then 5 clips in the front to the bumper.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.